started. Hi, boys and girls. Here I'm playing bowling. Hey, get out of that. Today we're doing bread omelette. And this is the game I'm playing while my mom does bread omelette. And also we have got a stove here. Don't touch it. Don't touch it when it's hot. Like, really, we got a stove which runs on electric. So the fire comes from electric. So, let's get started. So, we need 1 egg. We need big apple. So, we just take
1 or 2?
We need 2, but you can take how many eggs you want to make how many you want. And we need loads of sugar to make it sweet.
How sweet you need?
Yeah. How much sweet you want, that's how much sugar
And a
you
little
take.
bit of
Milk! But how much you need of this will make it how soft you want.
Great shake.
Here's the egg. You. There we go. So this is our second egg.
నెమ్మది అలా చూడు, నువ్వు బ్యాలెన్స్ ఎలా చేస్తున్నావు అంటే అదంతా స్ప్రెడ్ అయిపోయేలాగా చేస్తున్నావు. ఆ ప్లేస్ లోనే ఉండేలాగా చేసుకోవాలి. 2 hands పుష్ చేయకూడదు, 1 hand తోనే.
One place. We really want a nice soft egg. So we have only this tiny liquid here. So
అది అలా పట్టుకుని ఒక చేతితో సరిపోతుంది. ఛాన్సీ, నీ చెయ్యి నువ్వు బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ గా ఉండవు. అది కరెక్ట్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇందులో ఏమేస్తున్నాం?
sugar and so we're gonna add some of the sugar inside. Ooh, nice. So here's our milk, nice and liquidy, white milk, but it looks like a butter.
Bubbles వచ్చినాయి.
Now we're gonna pour our milk inside. Now we can see all of the sugar. So that
ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి?
it's just for a little color, that's why. So putting in our turmeric powder.
Little bit.
Yeah, that's all we're adding. Because so this is
few
yeah, just
crystals.
like this. Yeah, just a tiny bit of it, just like turmeric powder.
పుష్ చేయక ఫింగర్ తో పుష్
Oh
చేయాలి.
yeah.
చెప్పు few crystals అని చెప్పు నువ్వు కూడా.
It's like a few crystals but salt.
ఇప్పుడు అదంతా ఏం చేయాలి?
Mixy.
ఎప్పటిదాకా?
I don't know.
షుగర్ అంతా డిజాల్వ్ అయిపోవాలి.
Yeah. So we have to mix until this turns all yellow.
Yellow and no crystals kada?
Yeah, no crystals.
Sugar crystals.
We only need to see yellow. Just yellow liquid. We got light yellow now. So here's our nice liquid. Here's our liquid done. It's gonna be right here. There's still powder on the spoon. But we're gonna leave it for 5 minutes and then we'll come back. So Until then, I would like to tell you that
Have a break.
we want you to have a break before the next one. Yeah, you know that. But you know we can't get a big bowling set in our house, so we got my miniature set. So it's me versus my mum. So we're gonna stop playing it. I'm not sure if my mum's good at playing this. Now it's miniature version, so we have to go like this. So I'm gonna fling. I'm ready. Oh, I missed. I'm gonna play again. Hey! Ah! Where did that ball fall? We don't want it to fall, so it's a little hard, so... Wait. I didn't do it. I was not ready then. Fling. No, not going anywhere, ball. Fling. So now I'm actually going to aim it. Oh! No. Here. Stay there. I need to aim. Aim. No. That's not aiming. I can't aim properly, so I'm just so close to it. I think I have to aim from here. I didn't even hit a single one. Come on. Ah! Hi, boys and girls. And now we have finished the 5-minute break. So now we're on to making our egg omelette. So let's get up to it. Right. Okay, boys and girls. So now we got our bread. Most important to make egg omelette. Well, also the eggs, because eggs are most important. So we got our bread. Now we have to take one bit of the bread, dip it in, and we have to soak it. If we don't soak it, it won't be an egg omelette. So, if that's your question, you can add that. Well, yeah, like really, egg omelettes are like almost my first favorites, but my second favorite is just adding nenu, Indian butter.
Chestanu.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, bite kostundi. Bite raakuddu.
Need to have the nenu everywhere so it'll cook nicely. And that's how it's nice and cooked. You hear that?
జాగ్రత్తగా వేస్తావా ఇప్పుడు?
Okay.
స్లోగా.
Get close.
ఫింగర్స్ తో పట్టుకో, కార్నర్స్ లో పట్టుకో. సరే, పీసెస్ వేసే.
Ooh, that's cooking. And I'm gonna try and get the next piece. That's nice. That's the third piece. And we're gonna let those cook. So this is the thing cooking. I think it's ready for me to turn it.
దాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేసుకో, దాని మీద ప్రెస్ చేసుకో, గిన్నె మీద.
And now
నెయ్యి మొత్తం అంతా స్ప్రెడ్ చేయి. ఓన్లీ కార్నర్స్ లో ఉంది కదా.
and spread it all around. So like really a real chef would want whatever you're adding everywhere. Because you want every single thing to taste yummy, right? So we're gonna let that cook.
నువ్వు ఫ్లిప్ చేస్తావు, నేను ఫ్లిప్ చేయనా?
You flip.
చిన్నది ట్రై చేయి, ఓకేనా?
Okay.
స్మాల్ వన్, మిగతాది రెండు నేను చేస్తాను.
How are we? Okay. You mean flipping with this? Okay.
Yes.
I think I can do it. I think I can do another one.
Yes.
Oh, wait. I need to flip the whole thing over. Oh, it's at the edge.
Cut it.
I'm just going to cut it. So now it'll be easier for me to flip something over. Ooh, that's going to cook. Oh.
లేకపోతే ఇంకో స్పూన్ తీసుకుంటావా?
I can do
Very
this
good.
one. Now I have to see the last one. So I better go this way. And then this way. And also, you can also be a chef. But you have to know that a chef needs to be not getting burnt hands. And last bit. Hey, come on. You need to turn over too.
ఇలా టేక్ నుంచి పుష్ చేసి అన్నీ స్ప్రెడ్ చేయమ్మా. కార్నర్స్ స్ప్రెడ్ చేయి. ఓకే అది రాదంటే.
So we're going to let that cook.
Oh, is it?
Really?
కొంచెం ఇట్లా. మళ్ళీ చేయి.
I'm going to try it. So.
Hot.
You maybe want to blow it before you do it. That was really hot to me. So this is our first egg omelette. So I was this whole time letting this soak. So it's been soaking, so I think it's time to flip it over. So flip. It didn't completely do it, but that's okay. But this one is pretty good. So
కుకింగ్ స్మెల్ వస్తుందా?
Yeah.
ఫ్లిప్ చేయి Chancy మళ్ళీ.
Okay, I can flip that. I'm gonna start with the mini ones. You see that side is cooking, so I'm gonna need to flip that one. I want to flip that one. And then our big one. There we go. That's our flip. A zoo. Oh, that's okay. I'm still gonna eat this. It's so yummy. Who wouldn't want to eat it? It's so yummy. If it's hot or not, it's so yummy. Move that one there. Keep these far. That one there. So I spaced them out, and it looks like a butterfly a little bit. Like, woohoo, a butterfly!
సో కుక్ అయిన తర్వాత తెలుస్తుంది.
Tell me to eat. Yeah.
ఇలాగా పోక్ చేసామనుకో, ఎడ్జ్తో పోక్ చేస్తే వితౌట్ పోక్ చేసిన ప్లేస్కి స్టిక్కీ లేకుండా రావాలన్నమాట మెటీరియల్. ఇది దానికి స్టిక్ అయ్యింది ఏమైనా పోక్ చేసిన ప్లేస్లో.
What pokey?
చూడు ఇలా పోక్ చేసానా అక్కడ నాకు ఒక లేయర్ వచ్చింది చూసావా, స్టిక్కీగా స్టిక్ అయ్యి వచ్చింది.
Yeah, so I need pokey.
ఇంకా కుక్ అవ్వాలన్నమాట. కుక్ అయితే అలాగా స్టిక్కీ రాదు, స్టిక్ అవ్వదు. ఓకేనా?
I'm still gonna eat this. Ew, what the...
మళ్ళీ టర్న్ చేయి Chancy.
Okay. I hope this is gonna be nice and... There's a tiny piece here, like a sandwich. But it's like in a love heart shape. See that? Like if I put that down, it's a love heart shape. I actually want to eat the burnt side and see how it tastes. The burnt side actually tastes good. And this is the bread and the egg together. The bread and the egg actually taste so good. So, for you to know, if you think it's my first time, it's actually not. We have ate this loads of times, so I'm actually trying to get some.
దగ్గరికి పట్టుకో, దూరం పట్టుకున్నాం గరిటని దగ్గరికి పట్టుకొని, దగ్గరికి పట్టుకుంటే నీకు గ్రిప్ వస్తుంది ఛాన్సీ. ఇక్కడ పట్టుకో.
Okay, so this way, right? Get some pieces. I'm gonna get some bread, my egg bread, my egg omelette, onto my piece of my plate. I really like it, so I'm actually trying to get loads onto my plate.
నీ ఎదరికి పుష్ చేసుకో, నీ వైపుకి పుష్ చేసుకో. That's good.
Okay. I'm trying to get to a really big piece, but it's hard, so I'm just gonna get this piece first. And then I have one piece still on here. What doesn't want to be turned over or got onto a plate. Actually, I'm gonna try and get it on my plate. It was easy then, but my plate is now super hot from cold. So this is my food we're having. So normally we eat our food anytime in the day, anytime we're hungry, not like breakfast or lunch or dinner. We just eat it anytime we want to eat something. But my favorite thing is to eat mini rolls. But this is like this is more yummy than mini rolls. But those are made quicker because like I just eat it. So now I got my iPad out so I can watch Chancy vlogs, as this is called Chancy vlogs. I like watching my own vlog. If you got yours, you won't know. So, for you to know, I'm gonna taste this. This is so good. I loved making this with you and eating it with. So, I want to say